vegetarian. So let's get started. First, we're gonna start by making a quick lemon vinaigrette. So in my measuring cup, we're gonna start with 1 teaspoon of kosher salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper, and add 1/3 cup of olive oil, and then the juice of 2 lemons. And now just a little secret ingredient, 1 tablespoon of honey. That will just sweeten everything up. From there, you want to be sure to combine everything, and that's the simple lemon vinaigrette for our salad. So here we have 1 pound of baby arugula that we've added to our bowl, and then we have 2 heirloom tomatoes that we're going to chop, and then 1 cup of feta cheese. Feta pairs great with our watermelon, and then we have about 1 pound of watermelon that we're going to dice, and we're going to just put it all together, and it will be fabulous. So everything is chopped, and it's time to put together our watermelon arugula feta salad. We'll start with our 1-inch diced heirloom tomatoes. You just want to add them right in, like so. Now it's time to add the star of our show, which is our watermelon dices. You just want to place them nicely. We're going to give it a nice toss, but it's nice to place them. Now for the feta cheese, right on top, sprinkle. Now, remember that lemon vinaigrette we made? We're going to drizzle it all over. Doesn't that look delicious? This is the perfect summer salad. Now time for a good toss. So we want to make sure it's just well combined to ensure that everything gets a little bit of that lemon vinaigrette. So my watermelon arugula feta salad is just about finished, but my last ingredient is fresh mint. You just want to take 1 bunch of fresh mint and just tear it right on top. Sprinkle it all throughout, because mint and watermelon go great together. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you like this and want to see more, don't forget to hit subscribe. Until next time.